All right, day 2. And I'm heading into work because this is one of the days I go into the office. So did check some of my alerts that went off. Not too concerned. GBP USD I did get kicked out of, but the other one, which I don't remember which it is nice in profit. I actually closed half of it. So I'll share that at some point in time. I realized one of my flaws in the hedging that I'm doing is all of my hedged pairs, I have 3 of them right now, are all USD pairs. So my bad, lesson learned hopefully. Actually no, it is a lesson learned. I have 4 pairs that some point in time back in the day, if I was going to trade all 4, they are uncorrelated. They're not as much correlated as the rest of like GBP USD and AUD USD. The USD is the correlation there. So whatever's probably going to happen in one's probably going to happen in another. Even though the British pound and the Australian dollar have nothing to do with each other, they're still tied to the US dollar. So yeah, all the ones that I'm in right now are USD pairs. So as I look at one and go, oh yeah, that's way over. We haven't had a good pullback, so I should be good to buy here. And I go to another one and I'm like, oh yeah, that's had a long push. I should be good to sell here. And I'm like, wait, they just look the same. Like, that's because they pretty much are right now. For whatever's going on in the US, with everything that is going on in the US, that's what the pairs look like. And so I made that error. So I'll have to remedy that by just playing it a little bit safer, getting out of all of these USD pairs, and then focusing on just either 2 that are not correlated, or maybe just focus on 1. The guy that I follow, he only focuses on 1, USD CAD, and so I might stick with that. I just started doing others because USD CAD has been hedged for quite some time and I haven't had a darn thing to do with it. So it's my impatience that's got me into this situation. So this is what I mean by I am in a couple of trades that are all pretty much the same. Well, if trading is going to be nice. So AUD USD, I'm in that hedge. That's a nice little hedge, and it's just steadily been going down. NZD USD, same thing. That's actually getting ready to get hedged, but it's been steadily going down. And then USD CAD, flip side of both of those, and it's been steadily going up. So I'm basically taking 3 of the same trades, but in my head, I thought they were different. And so I've exposed myself to 3 times the risk for basically what is the same setup. Lesson learned, hopefully. I think I'll learn it. We'll see how that goes though. I'm off of work and I'm stopping off at a friend's house and sitting in on their cats and bunnies, and I got an alert that went off, I think, for GBP USD, so let's check that. Yep, GBP USD. It says it's crossing this ray. Okay, I'm not worried about it. I actually need to redraw these lines according to Tori's strategy. But if we look at what's going on up here, still hedged here, nothing really going on here. I'm waiting for price to hopefully come up and then I can squeeze it a little bit. If not, it already has been squeezed. Squeeze! NZD USD was hedged, and now I'm just waiting for that to play out. And then USD CAD is steadily, it triggered my buy and then has slowly turned around. I still think it's going to come down a lot, so I'll probably be working with the sell side before anything else. And then outside of that, I have CAD CHF. CAD CHF is running down in some profit now. I just need it to continue falling. Let's move to the next one, Euro USD. Also a little bit in profit now. Well, actually with spreads, probably not. So we'll have to see how that one plans out after 5. And then the last one is GBP JPY. I was not feeling 100% confident in this one, so I only went in the position small. As you can see, it's a really small account. So like this was 75 cents. My normal position size is $1.50. And I've grown a $50 account to 78. So yeah, there's that. Slow and steady gains. That's all that matters. August is coming up. TradingView is having their leap thing, I think, for the entire month of August, if I remember correctly. I might be mistaken on that one. I'm going to be taking part in that one, hopefully recording and setting up trades for that to be able to show and document just what it looks like to be profitable. I am going to trade only 2 candle, but I'm only taking the entry immediate. I'm not waiting for any sort of confirmation or anything. If it's a bearish candle, my next bearish move in the 4 hour will be expecting a 4 hour candle. Stop loss will probably be the previous candle, and I'm just expecting an ATR move, and then that's pretty much it. So that's how I'm going to run that. We'll see how well it works. Then we'll have documented proof that, heck, if you just went with the previous candle, what would be your success rate? And is there any way to clean that up? Is there any way to make that even more profitable? I don't know. We'll find out. So yeah, other than that, I'm getting ready to head to the house and go spend some time with the family. So you guys have a blessed day, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Good luck. See you on the charts.